was running his mouth, trying to press me, said some wild thing. Thought he could test me, I could've laid him out. Hands built different, but I kept my cool, stayed consistent. Christ-like patience when he kept dissing, turn the other cheek while he kept tripping. Homie kept pushing, trying to bait me. Words getting louder, crowd gathering daily. I just stood there, never said nothing back, but somehow I'm the villain in this attack. They said I started it, that's a lie, oh. They said I called names, but that ain't my flow. Got accused of everything that Ellie did, while I kept my hands clean, never slid. But truth gon' shine, truth gon' rap, yeah. But it's the ones, all they lies, they tried to flip the script, oh right. But the real social media blowing up my mentions, fake stories spreading, needing inventions. They painted me dirty, said I was wrong, but I know what happened. I was there all along. Kid was the aggressor from the very start, playing victim now. That's just his part. I stayed peaceful when he got heated, show restraint when he needed to be defeated. Could've went off, but I chose to chill. Had the power, but I kept it real. Now they saying I'm the one who pressed, but I passed every single test. They said I started it. That's a lie, oh. Said I called names, that ain't my fault. Got accused of either thing that Hattie did, while I kept my hands clean, never slid. Truth gon' shine, truth gon' rise. Got the footage to expose all they lies. They tried to flip the script on me, but the real goes say me. Got the phones out, everybody recorded, edit in clips, getting facts sorted, witness testimony, they was all there, saw who really started this whole affair. Posted to the tube, let the people see how they tried to assassinate me. Contradictions falling apart at the seams, truth hitting different than they fake dreams. I ain't backing down from these false claims, ripping up the lies